What is file version history?
The file version history is a feature in many cloud platforms that automatically saves past versions of your documents and files. Instead of overwriting the old file, every edit or save creates a new version. This helps you track changes and recover previous work if needed, making collaboration safer and mistakes less costly.
How version history protects your work?
Version history acts as a safety net. Accidentally deleted important content or made unwanted changes? You can review older versions to restore lost information. This feature is especially useful for teams where multiple people edit the same file. You can always go back to a previous state if necessary, avoiding permanent loss.
Accessing version history in popular cloud platforms.
Most major cloud platforms like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox offer easy access to file version history. Usually, you right-click on a file or select it and look for a menu option like Version History or See Version History. From there, you can view, preview, and restore earlier versions with just a few clicks.
Restoring a previous file version.
When you find a version you want to recover, simply select it and choose Restore or Download. The restored file can either overwrite the current version or be saved as a copy, depending on the platform. This makes it easy to fix mistakes or recover information, even if a problem happened days or weeks ago.
Tips for managing versions and collaborating.
To get the most from file version history, save files regularly and encourage your team to do the same. Organize your files clearly and check version history before making major changes. If working together, communicate when restoring or reverting to avoid confusion. With these practices, you'll keep your work safe and collaboration smooth.